This review is of Taylor Farms Pad Thai Stir Fry Kit. It does not cook in 6 minutes. I'm sorry. It takes more than 6 minutes. Alright, so here are the nutrition facts and the ingredients. And this is how you cook it. So hold on. Okay, so let's give it a try. I had to cook this for quite some time to make sure that the vegetables would be nice and soft. If you like your vegetables really firm, you can put I suppose you could put the stove on high. It just says medium high in the instructions, but you can put it on high and then you stir constantly and it'll get cooked. Of course, when I have seen chefs cooking stir fry, they tend to have it on like this massive blossom of fire. I mean, like really, really big. Bigger than a regular stove could make. So there isn't actually any way for you to duplicate that unless you have a stove like that too. So my option was, since I had other things I had to cook, that I had to put it on the medium high that it recommended and let it cook, and I covered it and then I'd stir when I could take a break from the other things I had to cook. And yeah, so it got a little bit burned, but once I had the sauce on it, like it says, I put it on low. I just let it cook in the sauce, and that took quite some time. The vegetables aren't fully cooked at this point either. I don't know. I've had pad thai, and I've never tasted pad thai like this, or pad thai. Never. So I really don't know what this is. And I don't know why they think that they can put basically the same vegetables into every single one of their bags. Whether it's teriyaki or ginger soy sauce or ginger garlic sauce or pad thai. And, you know, because so far what I've seen for the 3 of the 4 that this is my 3rd one now, they use the exact same vegetables, and yeah, it's just kind of lazy. Except for the finely diced all carrot with sauce that I tried from, I think it was them, and that was horrible. The other 4 I've got have the same vegetables in them. Would I ever buy this? No. I was kind of looking forward to getting something from that part of the world, and I don't know what this is. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a great day.